13 new tech 2026 that you will want to buy. Are you always on the hunt for the next cool gadget? Curious what 2025 has in store when it comes to groundbreaking tech? So here is the list of 13 gadgets that will absolutely blow your mind. Number 13. Lumos AI Glasses. What if your glasses could talk to you, record what you see, and even help you stay online without a phone? Sounds like sci-fi, right? The Lumos AI Glasses make that fantasy real. They offer an all-day battery life on a single charge, letting you take 4K photos and 1080p videos. Plus, with ChatGPT 4.0 built in and no need for a phone to stay connected, these glasses are like wearing your personal assistant. They come with open-ear audio, 3 built-in microphones, support for prescription lenses, and enhanced AI lighting so even low-light moments look stunning. Oh, and they weigh just 49 grams. Number 12. X-Ring D13. What if you could control your devices just by moving your hand? Say hello to the X-Ring D13. This tiny wearable air mouse gives you gesture control over everything, from phones to tablets to computers. The built-in laser pointer is perfect for presentations, and the adjustable strap ensures a secure fit. It's incredibly accurate and super compact. Plus, the 10-day battery life and fast 90-minute USB-C recharge means it's ready when you are. Recording social media content or flipping ebook pages has never been this easy. Number 11. Pod 4 Ultra. Ever wonder how much better your life would be with just one more hour of good sleep every night? The Pod 4 Ultra gives you that. This smart bed layer reduces snoring in real time, automatically warms or cools your side of the bed, and works with your current mattress. It wraps around your mattress like a fitted sheet and syncs with a special hub that manages the heating and cooling. It also tracks your heart rate and breathing while you sleep to give you better rest mag after night. Comfort, health, and smarter sleep, all rolled into one. Number 10. Edifier QR65. Wish your desktop speakers could sound as professional as a music studio? The Edifier QR65 might just be your dream speakers. These active monitors come with a built-in GAN charger and pump out 70 watts of studio-quality sound. With features like two-way active crossover, full digital signal processing, and support for Bluetooth 5.3, USB, and line-in, you're fully covered. They even feature subwoofer and output ports. Add to that light effects powered by Tempo Abyss technology, and your workstation turns into a mini music studio. Number 9. ONEXPLAYER G1. Can a gaming device be powerful enough for work but still portable enough to take anywhere? That's what the ONEXPLAYER G1 delivers. Designed by One Notebook, this gaming machine is powered by AMD X370 or Intel 255A. It has a detachable keyboard, a 144Hz 2.5K display, and built-in Oculink support. With an 8.8-inch screen and 2560 by 600 resolution, everything looks stunning. Plus, esports-grade controls, a Hall-effect joystick, and massive 64GB LPDDR5X RAM give you the firepower for gaming and multitasking. Perfect for gamers and professionals on the go. Number 8. Ivy Cable P6. Tired of forgetting your power bank or cable at home? Ivy Cable P6 is the game changer. It's a 60W fast-charging cable and power bank in one. Better yet, it's self-folding, meaning no more cable mess. With 3000 mAh capacity, it supports both USB-C and Lightning, and thanks to pass-through charging, it charges itself while you charge your phone. This is the most compact and efficient charging solution you didn't know you needed. Number 7. OSO AI Earbuds. What if your earbuds could transcribe meetings and remember everything you said? That's what OSO AI Earbuds do. They're more than just audio devices, they're your personal AI memory system. These earbuds transcribe phone calls, Zoom meetings, and even organize your recordings into a searchable voice memory vault. Powered by Unify storage and linked with the OSO AI Assistant, these buds actually learn from your interactions. Talk about future-ready productivity in your ears. Number 6. FIYTA Space Shuttle Watch. Looking for a timepiece that's both functional and a conversation starter? The FIYTA Space Shuttle Watch delivers in style and innovation. It features a futuristic shuttle-inspired dial, 3D time display, and a domed sapphire crystal. The transparent back and quick-release strap make it feel like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's a bold-fashioned statement backed by precise mechanics, great for tech lovers and watch enthusiasts alike. But there's more. Each detail on the dial is inspired by real spacecraft designs. The hands resemble flight control levers, while the outer casing mirrors a shuttle's protective frame. This watch doesn't just tell time, it tells a story of human ambition and cosmic dreams. It's like wearing a piece of the future on your wrist. Number 5. Mashinic KTE4 Keyboard. Why settle for boring keyboards when you can type with style and function? The Machinic AT-A4 brings back retro cool with modern tech. This mechanical keyboard features a transparent design, swappable switches, and a colorful dot matrix LED display. You can show PC stats or custom visuals right on the keyboard. With 84 keys, 12 multimedia options, a TFT HD screen, and 8000 mAh battery, this keyboard makes typing fun again. It works with Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android, wireless or wired. And it's not just about the look. This thing performs like a beast. The tactile feedback is buttery smooth, and the RGB lighting reacts to every keystroke with dazzling flair. Gamers, designers, and writers will love the responsive flow. It's built to turn your desk into a digital art piece while boosting your workflow at the same time. Number 4. OBSBot Tiny SE. Still using a webcam that makes you look like a shadowy figure on calls? It's time for the OBSBot Tiny SE. This smart camera tracks your movement, keeping you perfectly in frame whether you're presenting or streaming. It offers 1080p at 100 FPS or 720p at 120 FPS and uses ultra-large pixels for better low-light performance. With auto ISO, dual native ISO, and sharp autofocus, your image stays crisp under any conditions. It's plug-and-play ready for all your favorite platforms. But what truly sets it apart is the AI magic inside. It understands gestures for zoom, focus, and angle adjustments. No need to touch anything. The dual omnidirectional mix also cancels out background noise, giving you studio-quality sound on top of the clear visuals. It's not just a webcam, it's your personal camera crew packed into one tiny device. Number 3. Tiny Edge Shaver. Ever wish grooming gadgets were more portable and less annoying? The Tiny Edge Mini Shaver is pocket-sized, batteryless, and powered by your phone through USB-C. It spins at 7,000 RPM, is waterproof, and even includes a built-in nose hair trimmer. The titanium blades stay sharp for years, and its feather-light 68-gram build makes it your everyday grooming buddy. Convenience just got a makeover. Perfect for travelers, commuters, or last-minute meetings, it fits in your jeans pocket or laptop bag with ease. No charging, no noise, no fuss. Just plug it in and get fresh in seconds. The sleek design adds to your style rather than taking away from it. It's a smart man's grooming weapon for the digital age. Number 2. Garden Indoor Garden. Think growing your own food indoors is hard? Not anymore. Garden is a compact indoor planter that grows up to 30 large plants in under 2 square feet. It has built-in sensors and cameras that monitor water and light, adjusting them automatically. There's a 4+ gallon water tank and no need for pesticides. Whether it's tomatoes, herbs, or flowers, Garden gets you from seedling to harvest in just 4 weeks, and it saves 95% more water than traditional gardening. Gardening just became smart. Number 1. Busy Bar. Wish there was a way to fight distractions and stay focused during work. Meet Busy Bar, your personal productivity powerhouse. This tactile time management tool keeps you on task with bold LED displays, a giant start button, and a satisfying scroll wheel to set your sessions. It features a 5-position mode switch, integrates with smart home systems using Matter protocol, and works with Home Assistant. With 16 GB storage, fast charging, and a 3,250 mAh battery, Busy Bar keeps your workflow sharp and efficient. Which of these new gadgets blew your mind? Let us know in the comments. And remember, subscribe for more futuristic tech you'll want to own.